Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about perimeter in general. Um, Perimeter. And just in general, perimeter is going to be defined as length around something. Length around. Or length of all sides. That is, as long as we have a figure that has straight sides, we just take a tape measure and measure. The only thing that gives us issue is arcs, things that are circular. But I mean, for example, if I have, let's have a square here or a rectangle. Make this rectangle, and let's say that we have this side is 3 feet. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet. To find the perimeter, let's call it P. Simply add, it's the length of each, it's the length around the whole thing. That's the perimeter. So it's gonna be 3 feet plus that one's 3 and that one's 3 plus another 3 feet plus 5 feet plus, so that one's 5 and that one's 5 plus 5 feet, and we get that our perimeter is, we've got a new calculator now. I didn't like the other one. It's going to be 3, I think we can do this, but I like pulling out the calculator just in case. 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5. There we go, we got 16 feet. That would be my perimeter. Okay, let's erase that one. Let's look at a triangle. Okay, and we're asked to find the perimeter of this triangle. I mean, so my point is here, there's no need for perimeter. There's no need to memorize formulas. They'll give you formulas for it, but I mean, we just gotta understand what this word perimeter means. It just means the length. I mean, it just means measure around this thing and give me that length. Add all the sides up. So let's say we broke out the tape measure here. We got that this side was 10 feet. I'll say 10 inches just to use that notation there. 10 inches. I'll say this side was 8 inches, and this side over here is 5 inches. So to get the perimeter, we simply add up 8 inches plus 5 inches plus 10 inches. And we get that our perimeter equals, let's clear everything out, 8 plus 5 plus 10. We get 23 inches. If that calculator worked nicer than the other one. So that's it. So yo, we have a visitor and we're right in the middle of a podcast. Hold on, let me hit pause. Okay, so again, there we are. We have the perimeter of this triangle is 23 inches. And again, I can't emphasize that the perimeter is just measuring around something. So let's do one more in this little video here before we sign off. Let's go in blue this time. So you know we've had a triangle, rectangle, but it doesn't matter what it is. If it's got straight sides, it doesn't matter what you call it. To get its perimeter, you just measure around it. So let's say we got some odd looking figure here. So this is our figure, and you're asked to find the perimeter here. And so you take out your tape measure and measure, and so you get this piece here to be 30 feet. you get the piece here adjacent to be, if that's 30, what's that look like, about 20 feet. And let's say we get this piece is 20 feet as well, and let's say this piece is 22 feet, and we got this piece here to be 20, let's say 19 feet, and then we have a side down here that is about 10 feet. Okay, so I need no fancy formulas to find the perimeter. I just add those up. That's always going to be the perimeter. So my perimeter equals, break out the calculator, clear everything out, and what do we have? Let's start here at 10. 10 plus, let's work our way around, plus 30 plus 20 plus 20 more plus 22 plus 19. Is that all? 10, 30, 20, 20, 22, 19. That's it. So we got 121. Our perimeter is 121 feet. What the heck is that? Feet. There we go. 121 feet is the perimeter. So again, perimeter, this thing that is measuring around the perimeter. That is just measuring around it. The only time we have any issues where that is a little more difficult is with circles, and that will be in our next video.